Alright, what's up, guys? Today is Wednesday, I guess, and we got the mower part, boy, I'm nervous. We got the mower all took apart. It's got a bolt broke off in the thingamajig. I don't know what it is, but it's a something. But anyways, me and Grandpa are gonna go to Tucson, which is basically, here, I'll explain it in simply. It's basically like a tractor pick and pull. That's basically what it is. But so we're gonna go see if they have the parts we need. It's way off in the middle of, all the way over past, a long ways from where we're at. But anyways, we're gonna go get that stuff. We gotta drop off the rim that we have to return it because we took the tire off of it. And yeah, we're gonna get that all done. So I guess we'll see you later. Peace. Even though I don't have the peace sign out, but see ya.
Did you get a picture of that?
No, I should have been filming. I will on the way back, though.
You can on the way back. I'll let you.
I don't figure they'll just have it.
No.
Turn back over.
Kind of like them two guys up there. I should have.
They ain't going nowhere.
Where did you want to be this when you come back? I'd say that semi there's been down here to Tucson.
Oh, yeah. I wonder what he felt the need to just turn it over for. Whatever he did a good job of it. I mean, he did a good job of it. You don't know where to go, do you?
I'm marking the road.
I don't know what they're trying to do. Fix what's wrong with it while they're under there. I wonder, hope the driver's okay.
Is there something up in front of him?
Yeah, I see that.
I believe it is.
Don't know. Maybe it's their service truck. Man, you can really smell the diesel off the road.
You got it running, don't you?
Yeah, it sounds nice too.
Well, one thing for sure, we'll not use extra leverage this time because that's what got us in this shape to start.
Don't want to break it off.
Yeah.
We couldn't even put a gun on it if we wanted to.
Yeah, but I had a 3/8 ratchet with a little bitty cheater pipe on it.
Broke it off. Don't you think that's nice and tight? Alright, so I forgot to end the video. We got everything fixed, everything settled down. Like, subscribe, do all the fun stuff, watch the video all the way through, hit all the funny little buttons down below, and we'll see ya.